Sanibonani bafethu, ngifuna to congratulations to uSisi noNaledi bafethu, badrophile bafethu ingoma yabo which like bayidrophe buma 4 months back bafethu, yabo igama la Amen iku part of album kaSisi, yabo lento le. So basha double platinum ke lapha yana bafethu, basha double platinum bafethu. Currently ngoma yabo on YouTube audio straight ihleli ku 2.4 million, yeah, ihleli ku 2.4 million views, and then music video wabo bawukhiphe 2 months ago uhleli ku 993,000 bafethu views, which means kushoda nje ama couple of thousands ukuthi mayikwazi ukufika ukuthi ingene ku 1 million bafethu. Never no stream bafethu manje isikhathi neze show ukuthi naba support bafethu, they've been working hard, they've been dropping ama hit bafethu, nayibona into le mele support abantu bethu babonisa uthando bafethu all the time, especially ama artists studio South Africa bafethu, they need our support na kanjani mele sibiye lasi babonisa uthando bafethu ba supportini bafethu, nayibona into le in that way konke sikwenzayo as South Africans kuzoba impumelelo bafethu, akekho umuntu uzosifimba. But I want to say congratulations to them for getting one of the double platinum what do you call this thing, like the double platinum what black, yes, double platinum black bafethu. They've been working hard bayitholile manje. Unaleti udala ke nezicova bafethu, udala izicova unaleti bafethu abamba lento ka Romeo and Juliet lapha enomawelele bafethu abamba yona lapha enomawelele. I'm gonna put some pictures nibona bafethu. She's been working very hard, not a pure bafethu, senza kanzima kakhulu, even like nengoma zakhe zikwelinye izinga nje kakhulu ingoma zikandaphiwe bafethu, because Romeo and Juliet last time we check kwami I think he was running over a million, but I'm not sure about the number, but I'm gonna make sure ukuthi like in the rectify numbers zakhe ukuthi uhamba kanjani like la or uhamba kanjani la ku we are recording ku YouTube, because there's a song lapha feature khona ku Gone Flavor music video wakhona about drop within 6 months ago, but already manje ku 20 million views, you understand, 20 million views, yabona into le. And then there's a music video out drop ile Romeo and Juliet which like feature Mawelele is sitting on 8.7 million. She's been working very hard, bafethu unadaphiwe bafethu, and ispansa yakhe sihle kakhulu. And there's one of the song ebathi ngiyabonga music video khona